all on my lane. You all on my lane. You ain't overlooked. So get out the way. I gave you the book. I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook. The boy got a flame. Serving in the kitchen like you need no. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame. Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name. Get up out the way. Lathan got the flame. Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing Fiesta shells or taco stuffed shells. So the first thing we want to do is get our ingredients together. So we got the rotel going, and that's with the cilantro. And then we got the shells. Then we got taco seasoning. I got plenty of videos making that, or you can buy your favorite taco seasoning. Then we got some medium salsa dip or queso dip. Then we got some Fiesta blend cheese, and then we got Monterey Jack cheese. You can use your favorite cheese, but those two blends were fantastic to me. And if you find it too dry, at the end you can use some paste chunky salsa or whatever salsa you want to use. But first thing you want to do is boil your pasta to the box recommendations and get them cooled and set aside. Then we're gonna start working on our meat. And you add the taco seasoning to it. Like I said, you can use your own taco seasoning. You can make taco seasoning, but to make it extra quick, just get you a packet and do what the instructions on the packet says. All right, so once you get that meat all brown, you add the taco seasoning. You're gonna add a little water to it just to make it very well combined and get that sauce directly through everything. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your rotel mix to it. Like I said, this is going to be a quick video. So once you add your rotel mix, and that rotel mix with the cilantro give you so much flavor. So it's give you that very Fiesta feel to it. All right, you're going to get your rotel mix incorporated, and you're going to taste it. Make sure you don't need any salt. You shouldn't need any salt, but always taste and season in layers if you need be. All right, once you get that situated, go ahead and add 2 large spoonfuls of queso in, or if you like it extra cheesy, add more. If you don't like it that cheesy, don't add much. But I added 2 big heaping tablespoons, and then I added a little Monterey Jack, and that was like a half a cup of Monterey Jack, and that's just to bring everything together. All right, once you get that situated, this meat should be perfect. And just taste it. If you want to, you can add some fresh cilantro to kind of jazz it up, or if you want to add diced onions, you could do whatever you want to do. But this is pretty much like a quick guideline. And once that meat look like that and perfect, you're ready to go ahead and start stuffing your shell. So go on to get that off the heat and get your Pyrex pan or whatever you're gonna bake it in, and start getting it situated. All right, so the first step I did was got the meat down at the bottom of the pan, just to keep the shells from sticking, also so you get meat filling in every bite. And then I began to start stuffing, and I placed it right side up because we got meat at the bottom. You don't want your meat to fall out your shells. All right, once you get that first layer done, go ahead and pop some Monterey Jack, and it's the point. If you wanted to, you could add some of that salsa, some more queso, which I did. And then we'll start working on our second layer. Once you get that second layer, make sure you turn those upside down. And then I popped a little queso on top of that. And then I'm going on with the Fiesta blend cheese. And that's what I'm going to bake it with. So I popped it into a 350-degree oven for about 5 minutes, just until the cheese melted, because everything is ready in this dish. So just get all your cheese on there how you like it. You can add some cilantro at this point again if you want to, some parsley, whatever you want to add. And then go ahead and pop it into a 350-degree oven for 5 minutes, or until golden brown, or whatever texture you like it. And it's going to be kind of crispy as well, because that cheese is going to brown up. And after you take it out the oven, it should look exactly like this. Oh my goodness, fantastic. Like I said, this is a quick weekday meal for the family. It's very quick, and it's fun to give you that Fiesta feel. You can do this on Taco Tuesday, and when you serve it up, you can add some sour cream, some more salsa, and I also crunched up some chili cheese Fritos and popped on mine just for some more texture. But there you have it, man, the most amazing Fiesta shells or stuffed taco shells from the Bistro. Thank you guys for checking this video out, man. I want to do something quick for you this week since I gave you 2 videos last week. So like, comment, share, subscribe, man. The most amazing Fiesta shells from the Bistro. I'm out.